a hot minute. I've been a little late with my vlogs. Some of the stuff I'm pushing out is from Christmas time. Thank you guys so much for staying. I've been busy, but I don't want to make that an excuse, so I'm just gonna be vlogging. I finished work. Today we're going to the gym. I'm gonna hit legs, of course, because I love hitting legs. And yeah, we'll have a good day today. Made it to the gym. At some point I was walking around Trader Joe's first, but I didn't find anything I wanted. I tried to hold myself back because I didn't really want anything and I didn't want to spend money. I'm only gonna get the bubs from the Five Below if they have it. If not, we ain't spending money today. They have it. I love this flavor. I never tried any of the other ones. I kind of want to try this one, but I don't think it's sour. Probably just get this one. Finished with the gym, went on a little walk. Now we're back and I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make spicy cold noodles. This is one of my go-to things. Super easy to make. It's just the idea of it makes it seem long. I'm gonna make the sauce. I have some boiled eggs already. Usually eat it with cucumber, but then I don't have any, so I'm just gonna eat it with the cabbage chicken salad that my mom made. Meal is done. Added the chicken salad, kimchi as well, and then I had 2 boiled eggs, and I also had a lot of sauce left. This is actually supposed to be for 2 servings. Now that you have extra sauce, you could just make the noodles and then you'll have the sauce ready to go. This is Mommy's Boss kimchi. Pretty good, really fresh, crunchy. Finished showering and eating. Now I want a little drink. I have this matcha set I recently got in the mail and I'm gonna unbox it. It literally comes with everything. Gorgeous! And I just got this on Amazon. It has a bamboo mat that you could leave all your stuff on. That'll be like a nice placemat for your things. Microfiber, the stand, the strainer, a spoon, the wooden scoop, the whisk holder. The whole set is this light green gradient color. Bowl for the actual matcha. I really love the texture and the color of this. It's so cute. Lastly, of course, it also comes with the whisk. First thing I'm gonna do is get some hot water and let this blue. My friend got this as well and she said that it was pretty good, so I got it. It's packed in here. No air at all. Look at the color. Here's how the foam looks like. I don't think I did it right because it looks like too much water. I don't know if I add enough matcha in mine, so let's just try it. Okay, this is definitely not enough matcha. This is like matcha milkshake.
Maybe you just make more and add it onto it.
How, do you need more too? Okay, I need to add more. I added too much milk. I made more matcha.
Just stay up all night.
It's like caffeine. Pretty. Okay, it is a bit more darker now. Try it now. Fail. Tell this